Before you begin, remove the access panel and front bezel. Removal. Rotate the front drive cage up to gain access to the speaker and cable. Disconnect the speaker cable from the system board. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the chassis. Remove the two 8mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the speaker to the chassis. Carefully slide the speaker and cable out of the cutout in the chassis and remove. Replacement. Carefully slide the speaker and cable into the cutout in the chassis. Replace the two 8mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the speaker to the chassis. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the chassis. Connect the speaker cable into the connector on the system board. Rotate the front drive cage down into position on the chassis.